guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mikaylah, aka Mikaylah Rachelle, and today's video is just gonna be like a collective haul lookbook. So like over the past few weeks I've been going shopping or whatever, H&M, Forever 21, maybe Marshalls, just a whole lot of other places, but I'm just gonna put together some summer looks for you guys, some inspiration with the pieces that I got. And so I just hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for another video. Mikaylah Rachelle's out. Okay, so the first look that I have is just what I was wearing in the intro, this white blouse. These pants are from Forever 21, and then I just added a Micheal Kors bag. Got some gold rings, gold jewelry, gold necklace. Have these glasses from Vougue Me. It just adds the color from the white and the pants all together. Also, I got these little sandals from H&M. So these are the featured item. So they just look like these. Hello. I don't know if it's focusing you guys, but it just looks like this. It's knotted. They have these in black as well, but I just figured cream with the bag, it ties it all together. So this is the first look. So here's the next outfit. I just have this flowy burnt orange, like, I don't know, like boho chic shirt. It's from Charlotte Russe. Honestly, I have this shirt so long ago, for so many years, and I've never worn it. And I don't know why, like, but anyway, the featured item of this outfit are the pants. These are just some flare pants I got from Walmart. They a little tight, y'all. Your girl thick, but I just still think that these are really super duper cute. I think it goes well with the shirt, no doubt. I also paired it with the knotted sandals from H&M. I think the cream goes well with the embroidery of the shirt, if you would like to see up close. Yeah, I just think it's like really girly and just like, hey. But yes, this is the outfit. Here's the next outfit. Everything I have on is new. They're all the featured pieces. So first, I'll just start off with the bag. This is an ALDO bag from Marshalls. It's just this light pink. I'm not sure if you could, it really picks up on camera, but it's just this, did I say light pink? I meant light purple bag with gold detailing and this little pink scarf that came with it. This shirt's from H&M. Purple ruffle, lettuce sleeve, has flowers, and it's just a cute little, like, I don't know, house on a prairie little long sleeve shirt, but I just thought it would be cute with this skirt that I got from Charlotte Russe. Now, it's just this asymmetrical skirt. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie, it doesn't do great for the body because it's so stiff, but yeah, like, it looks like I have no butt. Others may disagree, but like, it does nothing for like your figure. So if you're fine with that, then whatever. Like, I'm still gonna wear it, but just know it's not that flattering. And then lastly, the shoes are from SHEIN. The purple goes perfectly with the bag, and so I just put this little look together, and it just looks like this. Definitely summer approved, brunch even. Like, and if the scarf is throwing you off, you can obviously take it off, but I just did not feel like doing that. So you can wear it by the handle or just a long strap that it has. So this is the outfit. Okay guys, here's the next outfit for the sake of this video, and I don't want no slip-ups or nothing. I have a black bra on, but if I was off camera, I would not have a bra on because it would be secure without it. So it just has like these two ties right here. The shirt is from H&M. Sorry, I should have started off with that. The shirt's from H&M. I had the same Charlotte Russe skirt on, the asymmetrical. I just think this top is just so adorable. Like, I'm sorry, like, it might be a little risky for some people, but I'm sorry, I just think it really fits me really well. And I just paired it with this clear purse. I couldn't really find one that I would actually wear with it yet. Maybe I will. Probably something to match the shoes that I have on, which are also from H&M. These woven like rope shoes are literally so cute. So I have just some like gold anklets on. Probably wear a bracelet. I have my little necklace on. And yeah, this just really completes this outfit. The only thing I probably would change is the skirt to like a more, I don't know, not stiff, just not stiff, but I think it's still cute. I would definitely wear this. Yeah. So guys, this is the next outfit. I know this shirt looks super huge on me. The featured item is this shirt from H&M. Also paired with the woven rope sandals. Okay, so when you have super short shorts like this and you want to cover up, you can just put on a huge button up, roll these sleeves up if it's like too hot, tuck this in the front a little bit, and you're set to go. You know, put a cute little purse on. The purse I got from ALDO would work. This is cute. It's giving a, you know, cute little summer vibe. Or if you wanted to do something more chill or bring out the neutrals, you could do a bag like this. Either way, I just think it's really cute. It's a way to bring a simple outfit, some pizzazz with a pop of a color or just a neutral, you know, little vibe. But this is just what I came up with since these shorts are like super duper short. And I got this shirt from H&M, like I said, and these shoes. I just think it's something really cute and put together without really trying, you know? So okay, so here's the next outfit. It's just these joggers from Forever 21, as long as with this. I don't even know if this is considered a sports bra or just like a crop top or whatever, but this is also from Forever 21. Guys, I think this combo is just so cute, and you would never guess how much I spent for these pants. These pants were not 25, it wasn't 20, they wasn't 15, not 10, but $5. $5. They were the last ones, as you can still see the tag, and these are just really dope. Like, I'm sorry. And then with this shirt, I just, you know, this is mad cute. Like, you really can't go wrong. You could put some sandals with it, some sneakers. I mean, and not to mention, I decided to go with like a white bag if I wanted to bring out the white, or I could do a clear bag moment. What do y'all think? Clear bag or white bag? This clear bag is from SHEIN, if you didn't know, and then this is actually from Forever 21 as well. So this is what we're working with. Okay guys, so here's the next outfit. I have these bubble slides. All of these are the feature items. So these bubble slides I got from Amazon. These Wrangler cargo pants that I got from Walmart. And then I have this top I got from H&M. I know y'all probably looking like long sleeve, summer. At night sometimes it gets a little chilly. You know, you never know. You go to a place, they have air conditioning. But I just wanted to put these together. I think it's cute. I probably would wear a different top though. But I was just trying to find things to, you know, pair it with. But I also have this SHEIN tote bag that I think brings it all together. It's just like a newspaper-ish type tote bag, and it has the greens, it has the black, and I just think this is like a little cute chill vibe. But yeah, I think everything fits pretty well. I tucked this in the back so it could be tighter in the front, but as far as the fit of the pants, definitely are good. These are also men's. If I didn't mention that, these are men's pants, but yeah. So guys, I know this probably will come off very tacky, but unfortunately for me, I was editing and I was just like, that long sleeve shirt is just not doing it for me. Like, that is just not the shirt that I would wear. It would either be a bodysuit or like a shirt like this just to jazz up the olive green pants. So a more summery version of that outfit is just to have this type of shirt I picked out. I found it, I was like, oh wow, it's backless and it just ties around your waist. And it's just summer appropriate, you know? Like, it's just super duper cute. More so for summer than a long sleeve. It still applies what I said for the long sleeve about, you know, AC places or whatever. It's the vibe that I would probably go for much more. Probably with some sneakers or the bubble slides again. Or if you really want to go summery, it could be slides or sandals. So this is just another option for you guys to see. Guys, we're gonna close this video out with a super duper chill summer outfit. Like going to the park, going to run some errands, something like chill, laid back. I got my bubble slides on. I got this graphic oversized tee from SHEIN. It's super big, so I have to tuck one part in. But the feature item of this final outfit is these shorts from Forever 21. They fit so well. They're super duper stretchy. Here's the back. I do have a little bit of space, but that's just because my butt is big, but my waist is smaller. But these are actually really comfortable. These are actually a size, I don't know, it's a 1X, I believe. So that's also partially why it's a little big on me, but I don't care, it's fine. It says curved. I'm a curvy girl. I don't got nothing to complain about. So this is just like the final outfit, real chill, like what's up? Summer night, doesn't really matter, but I just wanted to feature these shorts somehow, some way. And I just think this is cute, like not doing too much, it's simple. But that is all that I have for you today. I hope you guys enjoyed the outfits that I, you know, put together a little bit. If you guys like those outfits or like videos like this, please let me know in the comment section. I will definitely do another one. I actually have another one coming up. It's just gonna be from SHEIN, all SHEIN items. I'm gonna put together a lookbook, summer lookbook, hopefully before the summer is over. So please stay tuned for that. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Hit your bell note for, whoa, yo, wow, can't talk. Hit your bell, yeah. Hit your bell for notifications for whenever I post a video. That's all I got for you guys. Thank you for watching. Mikaylah Rachelle is out. Bye.